How to change currency on Binance. In order to change currency, first of all, open your Binance mobile application. On the home page, select the Binance icon that would be in the top left hand corner of the screen. Here in the top right hand corner, you will be able to see the gear icon. This is basically your settings icon, so you need to tap on it. Now in the settings, you will see the second option of currency, which would be set by default on USD. So tap on the currency option, and here you will be able to see all of the fiat currencies in which you can trade and which you can use in order to make purchases on Binance. Now you just have to scroll down and select your favorable currency. Let's say I want to select VND, so you need to tap on it, and this way your currency will be changed, and now you can use your selected currency for making purchases crypto on Binance. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for more these types of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.